I think there are two issues with Apple. First of all, pricing. They've been very aggressive on pricing for the last few years. If you look at their latest models, the XS and the XS Max, they're priced at about a $300 premium compared to the old iPhone X. That's a lot of money for people to have to cough up. And in China, with the economy slowing and consumers feeling the pinch a little bit more, they're being a lot more selective about which sort of device they buy. The other issue you got with Apple is the competition are catching up pretty rapidly. If you look at Huawei in China, for example, they've now got some very competitive products. And if you think about one other factor I think is very important, the impact of the trade war. If you're a Chinese consumer and you have a choice between a US product, an Apple iPhone, or a locally produced one supporting the Chinese economy, and you're reading about Donald Trump's slightly belligerent rhetoric, you're probably going to choose the Chinese products. So right. I think that they're losing a little bit of market share at the moment. They've been a bit too aggressive on price, and they need to rein that in a bit. Because
of the perception on the ground. But going back though, I mean, 60% of Apple's overall revenue does still come from their smartphones. And as you mentioned on the price point, they've clearly got it wrong. They've had to adjust prices lower in many cases, and you've also got the currency impact as well. Margins in that segment are much lower than the overall group margins. So for the smartphones, it's about 34%, the group is about 38%. Do you think that in the future, the composition of revenues is going to shift increasingly more to services, and how quickly can they make that transition?
Well, they're trying to make that transition very quickly now, and Cook has been talking about what they can do in services. He's very keen to get the services segment higher. It's very profitable, and it'll afford Apple a higher valuation if they can make services a bigger part of the overall pie, because those revenues tend to be more highly valued by investors. I think what you're going to see is a big push into the healthcare space in the services division. They can use the iWatch to dial in with health insurers to make sure that people are monitoring their health more efficiently, taking action to improve their fitness, and they can actually offer rewards if patients comply with what's prescribed. So this could be quite an exciting new area of growth for Apple.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.